Okay, this is very simple. This is a solar space rocket, and the concept's very simple. For this explanation, this is I don't know if you can see that. This is a magnifying glass. So if the sunlight comes through here, the point where it gets heated as a magnifying glass, you can start a fire, or you'll understand. So the magnifying glass focuses the solar energy into one single point, and that's what it is. Okay. So here I have instead of focusing the heat into the ground, you can focus it right into the entrance of a fiber optic cable. So now the heat goes through this fiber optic cable, and it goes transfer to wherever you want to send that heat source or light source. So that's the concept. So here, the solar space rocket, the way it works is we have a cone-shaped fiber optic cable that acts as a magnifying glass, because as it goes backwards, it becomes slender, 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 just like a magnifying glass. Because the light is compressed as a magnifying glass, because of its slenderness, and as it goes backwards, it acts as a magnifying glass. So the light gets compressed, and this fiber optic cable, you can have one, or you can have two, or you can have multiple ones connected to the same cable. You can have a whole array of many cone-shaped fiber optic cables. In this case, I only have two, but in this case, I have two connected to one cable. Anyway, the sunlight goes through the fiber optic cable and gets compressed, and same here, and then sends it back, the light back toward the sun. And this was the sunlight. So what we have here is a simple, very simple space rocket using the light of the sun. Sunlight goes through here and sends it back. So this is the propulsion area right here. This is where the compressed heat comes out. So this is the propulsion, and you have two-way propulsion. One, the sun particles hit this, or the sun rays hit the cone, pushing this that way. So it's pushing this way. So this is actually pushing that way, and at the same time the light is going through the cable. Same deal here. It's pushing this way, and the light's going through the cable, and then it gets compressed, and it gets shot out through here to the end of the propulsion rocket. So here the light is now used against the sun to propel away from the sun. So this is a simple space rocket using light against light itself. So pretty much using the sunlight against itself as a form of propulsion. And it's very simple, and trust me, I honestly believe this actually will work. And it's so simple.